Welcome back to the Decor channel, where we bring you the best in vintage decor inspiration. Today, we're diving into a delightful fusion of styles, farmhouse meets cottage. If you're passionate about creating warm and inviting spaces filled with character, you're in the right place. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support helps us continue to create inspiring content for you. Farmhouse decor is all about simplicity, comfort, and a touch of rustic charm. Think weathered wood, soft linens, and vintage accents that tell a story. This style emphasizes functionality while maintaining a warm aesthetic, perfect for creating cozy spaces that feel like home. In this video, we'll explore how to blend these farmhouse elements with charming cottage vibes for a unique look. Cottage style is characterized by its quaintness and coziness, often featuring floral patterns, soft colors, and an eclectic mix of furniture. This style invites you to create a laid-back atmosphere that feels personal and welcoming. By integrating cottage elements into your decor, you can achieve that perfect balance between comfort and charm that defines this inspiring design aesthetic. Let's start with the living room. This space is the heart of your home, where family and friends gather. To achieve a farmhouse-cottage blend, incorporate a large, comfortable sofa in a neutral tone paired with vintage floral throw pillows. Add a rustic coffee table, perhaps made from reclaimed wood, and finish the look with an assortment of cozy blankets. Don't forget a few family photos or vintage finds on the walls to create a personal touch. Moving into the kitchen, the blend of farmhouse and cottage styles can create a warm and inviting cooking space. Consider open shelving displaying vintage dishware and mason jars filled with pantry staples. A farmhouse sink and a wooden dining table can be the centerpiece, encouraging gatherings over home-cooked meals. Use pastel-colored accents, like dish towels or small appliances, to add that cottage charm. In the bedroom, aim for a serene oasis that combines comfort with vintage allure. Opt for a classic wooden bed frame, layered with soft linens in muted colors and floral patterns. Introduce vintage decor through items like an antique dresser or a charming bedside table. Use soft lighting, such as a vintage lamp, to create a relaxing atmosphere perfect for winding down at the end of the day. Your bathroom can also reflect the farmhouse-cottage style, creating a spa-like experience. Use natural materials, like wood and stone, to enhance the calming vibe. A freestanding tub or a farmhouse-style sink can make a statement, while vintage mirrors and soft, fluffy towels add that cozy touch. Consider incorporating plants or fresh flowers to bring the outside in, enhancing the serene ambience. Don't forget your outdoor spaces. A farmhouse cottage look can easily extend to your patio or garden. Create a cozy seating area with vintage chairs and a rustic table. Add string lights for ambience and potted plants for a touch of color. Consider a small herb garden or flower beds that echo the charm of cottage living, making your outdoor space a perfect extension of your home. One of the keys to achieving this look is mixing textures and patterns. Combine soft fabrics like linen and cotton with sturdier materials like wood and metal. Layering different patterns, such as stripes and florals, can create a visually interesting space that feels both inviting and stylish. Don't be afraid to experiment and let your personality shine through in your decor choices. Incorporating vintage finds is essential in achieving the farmhouse-cottage aesthetic. Scour thrift stores, flea markets, and garage sales for unique items that can serve as focal points in your decor. Whether it's an old ladder used as a bookshelf or vintage jars repurposed as vases, these pieces add character and tell a story, making your space truly one of a kind. Remember, the key to any great decor is making it personal. Infuse your personality and style into each room. Display cherished family heirlooms or travel souvenirs that resonate with you. This personal touch not only enhances the aesthetic but also makes your space feel more like home, creating a warm and inviting environment for everyone who enters. Thank you for joining us on this journey through farmhouse meets cottage decorating inspiration. We hope these ideas spark your creativity and encourage you to transform your home into a beautiful, welcoming space. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more inspiring content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy decorating, and we'll see you in the next video.